How to use. Draw a line along the jawline. Draw a line 1 finger apart from the corners of your mouth. Draw a line 1 finger in front of the ear. Draw a line from the nasal groove along the highest point of the cheekbone. Draw a line according to the distance of the marking of the operating head. Draw a line along the lower eye socket. Draw a line vertically at 1 cm intervals between the outer corners of the eyes. Draw a line at about 45. This area is not operable for temples. Draw a line vertically 1 cm from the top of the eyebrow. Draw the second line according to the operating head. Do not operate within 2 cm of the center of the brow. Mark areas that cannot be operated with an X. Facial recessed areas need to be marked, not operated on or minimized. Mark the areas that need to be highlighted and strengthened. The ultra head has the same inoperable areas as the single row head. Apply 0.2 cm of gel evenly over the treatment area. The treatment head is placed close to the skin and operates in the area of the drain line. Hold the operating head vertically against the skin and tap the button on the handle. When the cohesion points are out, that's one shot. Ask the customer how they feel about regulating energy. Work from the bottom to the top according to the drawn lines. Move about 1–2 mm at a time until all positions have been manipulated. Areas such as loose skin can be strengthened. Replacement of other operating head operations. Operation is the same as the 4.5 mm operating head. Apply 0.2 cm of gel evenly over the treatment area. Long press the switch on the handle. The treatment head is close to the skin. Begin operation when you hear the beep. Slowly slide the operation within the small area where the line is drawn. 2 minutes of operation in a small area. Then move to the next small area. Strengthening in areas such as flaccid or sagging for 30 seconds to 1 minute. .5 mm treatment head for periocular and forehead operation is recommended for 5–6 min.